Hey guys, welcome to another solopreneur finance tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you top 3 AI stock trading bots in 2025. So we're going directly to begin with the first one, and it is called Trade Ideas. It is going to be best for active day traders and those who are looking for real-time automated tradings. We're going to talk about the pros and cons of each one of the platforms individually. So let's start with the pros of trade ideas. It is going to be used for three priority AI bots, which are going to be called the first one Holy, the second one Holy 2.0, and the final one is going to be Neo to generate real-time trade ideas based on over 70 trading strategies. And as long as you are going to get these much strategies, that means that you're going to get a very good result. So basically, I think that in my case, I would use this specific bot to having these strategies to make my entrance. But it is not going to be made for the beginners because these strategies are going to be made only for active traders. So let's jump on to the second pro or strength. It is going to be strong on the auto trading features through Brokerage Plus, which can directly execute trades via interactive brokers. Now, it is also going to offer event based backtesting via its odds maker tool and simulate trading for practice. So, if you're going to have some practices, you can go ahead and take advantage of this feature on the platform of Trade Ideas. So it is going to not only have the strategies and not also the smart bot to operate the trades and also the stock management that you are going to have. Now, it is going to be also high rated for design, ease to use, and real time scanning capabilities. The platform is going to have a very easy interface to comprehend and also to operate with. And this is proven by the testers' reviews and also the different forums that has been testing this platform so far. Now, it is going to be, or the platform is going to be very comprehensive in the case or the side of the technical analysis and also the market scanning suite. Now, let's jump on to the drawbacks or the cons that you're going to find into the platform. Basically, it is designed mainly for the United States equities. So you cannot find the EU or the Asian equities, and it is not ideal for international or crypto traders. So if you're going to be a crypto trader, you're not going to be having the benefits of the trade ideas bot. Also, it has a very high pricing premium plan, which is going to start from, I think, $170 per month. So we are going to check up the pricing for that. You're going to see the Birdie bundle, which is going to be the basic bundle, and I highly not go with it, but I'm going to head over the TI premium, which is going to be well known as the Eagle Elite, and it is the most popular one, and it is elevated to $178. So it is going to be a high price, as you can see. Also, it is going to be a very high barrier for the beginners. And also, not forget about the app that we are not going to get it into the platform for the mobile. So if you're going to use a mobile for trading or having the AI bots, it is not going to be working at all. So I highly recommend for you to use it if you're going to be an advanced trader, an active trader, and also at least you have an idea about how things work on the tradings. So if you're going to be a beginner, just follow up the other AI bots or the stock that we are going to have in this video. Now, jumping on to the second one, which is going to be named Tickeron. This platform is made for swing traders and investors interested in pattern recognition, portfolio generation, and AI forecasts. So, also, this one is not meant to be for beginners. So, we can go ahead and be an advanced or a pro trader and use this platform instead of other platforms made for beginners. Now, let's talk about the pros of this platform. So, it is going to offer a plus or more than 34 AI trading systems, including hedge fund style portfolios with track records. It is going to offer for the active traders or the professional traders a marketplace for the trades and also for the investors. As you can see, this marketplace is going to have a lot of chapters or a lot of menu items that you're going to find in here. So we can see that we have the paper trades exchange, watch list exchange, and etc. And a lot of more and coming soon features that you're going to find in the futures that you're going to very like into the stock or the AI bot stock tradings. So it also features the trend prediction engine or TPE and also the pattern search engine for predicting the market directions. And this is going to be a very, very good advantage that you're going to take off for getting more, let's say here, chances to win or conquer the specific market that you're going to enter in. So it is going to be very easy to use. The platform is going to be very simple, and also the interface is going to be user friendly. Now, let's talk about the community tool that they have here because it is going to be very, very effective. So, you're going to have experts, chat boards, and also clubs to join into the specific platform. So, you're not going to trade alone, or let's say here, you're going to break the routine of having a platform, an AI bot that you're going to have a limited orders or workflows that you're going to give it. Instead, you're going to get a whole community that you can chat and exchange experiences with. It or the platform is going to provide real-time pattern recognition for stocks, ETFs, crypto, and Forex. Tickeron also will offer you a solid education center and a backtesting via the time machine that they have implemented into the platform. Although it's limited only to 4 years. So it is going to be limited in the 4 years period of time, but you're going to get the educational center that you're going to have you advanced or advancing, also improving a lot into the trading expertise that you're going to have. Now, let's talk about the drawbacks or the cons that you're going to find on the Tickeron platform. It is going basically to not have that big of a deal of the cons, but we need to mention them so you're going to get the whole idea about the platform. So let's start by the first one, which is having on the platform a limited charting and indicator customization compared to trade ideas. The second con that I have noticed, and also based on the reviews that I have found on the internet, it may be overwhelming for beginners due to the volume of features and data. So if you're going to be a beginner and maybe let's say here 40% or 30% are going to begin within the platform, they're going to find some of the difficulties about the data or the amount of data that they are going to find into the platform because these amount of data are going to be considered or let's say here put for only the advanced ones, but this doesn't mean that the beginners are not going to be welcomed on the platform. So they are going to have the as we have mentioned, the education center and also the time machine for back testing. Now, the last con that I have noticed is going to be the real-time execution is not as advanced or seamless as trade ideas. Now, let's move on to the third and the last platform, which is going to be Insight AI. So you're going to type in insightai.com on Google or your navigator, and then you're going to find it. So this platform is going to be the best for the investors who want daily AI stock picks with built-in stop and loss profit guidance and also AI chat features. Let's directly jump in for the pros that you're going to have on the platforms. Basically, it is going to deliver data curated stock picks and intelligent technical analysis. So you do not need to put a lot of efforts if you're going especially a beginners. It is going to be conceived for beginners for not having the enough experience or they have just started. Also, it is going to support the natural language chat for AI powered market insights and quick analysis. Now, it is going to cover both stocks and also crypto if you're going to be interested in the crypto market with a customizable alert, earnings call summaries, and market news. Do not forget that this platform is going to be well known as the user friendly interface for it, and also it is going to be very good for novice traders. That means that the beginners are going to be more than welcome for it, seeking for simple, high level guidance from the platform. Now, for the cons that you're going to find as a beginner or maybe as an advanced, let's say, trader into the platform, it is going to be less known and also less battle tested than a Trade Ideas or a Tickeron. It has a limited real time execution capabilities and not as robust for serious algorithm tradings. So it is not going to be that big of a deal, but it is going to get the job done. So also, it is not going to be a suit for advanced traders who need deep strategies, customizations, or live bot execution. So overall, it is going to be a good platform for the beginners and newcomers, but for advanced one or professional traders, they are going to have the two first platforms that we have mentioned, such as Trade Ideas and also Tickeron. That was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.